Question number 1. Which article of the Indian Constitution provide freedom to manage one's religious affairs? Option A, Article 21. Option B, Article 26. Option C, Article 25. Option D, Article 30. The correct answer, option B, Article 26. Question number 2. Kumbh Mela is famous in which states? Option A, Uttarakhand. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Maharashtra. So, the correct answer, option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3. Champaran Satyagraha was started in which years? Option A, 1914. Option B, 1915. Option C, 1916. Option D, 1917. The correct answer, option D, 1917. Question number 4. Sanjit Natak Academy Awards winner Akam Lakshmi Devi is famous for which dance form? Option A, Satriya. Option B, Manipuri. Option C, Kathak. Option D, Kuchipudi. Correct answer, option B, Manipuri. Question number 5. Recently, who has been appointed as the new governor of RBI? Option A, Vijay Chandok. Option B, Sanjay Kaul. Option C, Parmeshwar Joshi. Option D, Sanjay Malhotra. The correct answer, option D, Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 6. Which river is also known as Tsangpo? Option A, Hagli. Option B, Yamuna. Option C, Indus. Option D, Brahmaputra. The correct answer, option D, Brahmaputra. Question number 7. What is the SI units of electric current? Option A, ampere. Option B, joule. Option C, ohms. Option D, watts. The correct answer, option A, ampere. Question number 8. Name the highest peak of Western Ghats. Option A, Toda Beta. Option B, Nilgiri. Option C, Anamadi. Option D, Kalsabai. The correct answer, option B, Anamadi. Question number 9. Zakir Hussain is associated with which instruments? Option A, santur. Option B, shahnai. Option C, tabla. Option D, harmonium. The correct answer, option C, tabla. Question number 10. In which state is the famous Rikels Raimuna National Park? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Tripura. Option D, Assam. The correct answer, option D, Assam. Question number 11. Waiting for a Visa is the autobiography of which political leader? Option A, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Option B, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer, option A, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Question number 12. Gupta dynasty was established in which year? Option A, 230 CE. Option B, 240 CE. Option C, 245 CE. Option D, 250 CE. The correct answer, option B, 240 CE. Question number 13. Sodium hydroxide is the chemical name of which common substances? Option A, bleaching powder. Option C, chalk. Option C, caustic soda. Option D, baking soda. Correct answer, option C, caustic soda. Question number 14. In which of the following is the tributary of Yamuna? Option A, Chambal. Option B, Sutlej. Option C, Hugli. Option D, Son. Correct answer option A, Chambal. Question number 15. Which state is the highest GDP in India? Option A, West Bengal. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Telangana. Option D, Gujarat. Correct answer option B, Maharashtra. Number 16. Lavana folk dance form is associated with which states? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Assam. The correct answer option C, Maharashtra. Question number 17. What was the age criteria to become a beneficiary in Atal pension schemes? Option A, 20 to 30. Option B, 25 to 35. Option C, 40 to 60. Option D, 18 to 40. Correct answer option D, 18 to 40. Question number 18. PV Sindhu is associated with which sports? Option A, badminton. Option B, tennis. Option C, chess. Option D, shot put. The correct answer option A, badminton. Question number 19. In which year Mahatma Gandhi started Quit India movement? Option A, 1940. Option B, 1941. Option C, 1942. Option D, 1943. Correct answer option C, 1942. Question number 20. How many gold medals does India won in Paris Olympics 2024? Option A, 10. Option B, 9. Option C, 7. Option D, 14. The correct answer option C, 7.